this nigga dead by the day, bro. I got 30 bands on him, nigga. Which one of y'all get him first? Get the breach. I know how it goes. You know, we wait on gang to pull up. See what's up, nigga. The ops keep talking shit, but they not spinning. We gonna keep getting it. Yo, who that? Yo, who that?
And I'm lit, and I'm hit. While them out niggas jacking my shit, that's one false move, you could get killed. If you jacking out, I see you melt. Stay sturdy, any situation. See that boy, then I gotta flame him. And my shorty got a lot of anger. We pop out, that's real danger. If you dropping the floor, get heavy on spot. Niggas really running from the dots. My niggas sign me and we like to plot. And we never working with the cops. He froze her, then he ran. Like, then what happened to your man? He got shot and fucked up the plan. Got shot and fucked up the plan. Keep my six close, no, I'm tight. I ain't trip, I'll spin through the back. I tell my short, go ahead, go clap. Niggas bugging, we just by the op though. Niggas who drip like we just at the lotto. So go up it, right in public. Nigga, I ain't playing, I'm trying this muffin. Get back, gang, not sit back, ain't stop capping. I swear all you niggas be bluffing. And I cap it, and y'all songs. Tell my nigga he bad perform. Hop out, shoot him, trying to get him off. Cause you know that I shoot my left, my right. I'ma click it till it out of sight. Touch my rage, you know I'm getting nice. Got an eye quality for his life. Can't name one eye who better. Type of nigga booming through the sweater. Bite my shit, but I do it better. Y'all shit can't put him in a stretcher. Disrespect, I'm backing out the 40. Big no truck, you heard this shit for Tony. Never like it cause I keep it on me. Fuck the D's, I heard that they own me. Cause I'm lit, and I'm hip. While them my niggas jacking my shit, that's one false move, you could get killed. If you jacking out, I see you move.